Hello everyone, I would like to conduct a quick inspection with our Cobra Pole Camera. Okay, here we see on the video a rooftop of a commercial building with lots of water aggregated from a recent rainfall. As you see, this unit is pretty lightweight and I have no problem of controlling it. This building is around 3.5 meters, I would say, and the total length the Cobra pole can extend is around 7.2 meters, so it has no problem of handling this building and inspecting the roof. And overall, the Cobra pole camera is excellent for inspecting attics, roofs, manholes, or conducting undercar inspections.